Guess what?
What?
I have a surprise for you. Hey, somebody had to do it. Let me go check it.
I'm about to coffee.
Look! See?
What
I
is
tell
it?
you.
Is this a new money order?
That is my new food lady. She just come and drop and deliver food. Look.
So that's pretty cool.
Yes, man.
So let me see what you ordered for me or for us. So from Tropical Isle Roti and Bakery.
Run! There you go.
Food in a box.
Let me get food.
Box side. Let me see what you ordered. See what Shiv got for dinner from our good friends here at Tropical Isle Roti Shop.
Yes, son.
Roti Shop and Bakery. All right.
You hide your knife.
For TikTok on me for using a knife. And said this girl dangerous with a weapon. And you hear them planes? Be careful. Planes are falling out the sky. So watch out.
Just try to
Okay.
pull it. Yeah.
All right. Unboxing roti version.
Roti version.
Listen, we brown people, we don't unbox. We unbox roti.
Oh, look at that.
Oh, that's so cute. It says thank you for your order and support our small business. See,
Oh.
always support small businesses because it's always a mom and pop trying to make a living. Tropical Isle Roti Shop and Bakery.
Yeah, man.
And there's a QR code too.
Thank
so
you, guys. Awesome.
Let's see.
Awesome.
Oh, okay.
What
I
you
feel
seeing?
like it's Christmas morning.
Yeah, man. Hey, that is mine. Righty.
You know, they say the way to a man's heart is through his belly is the same that go to a hungry woman, a woman who's worked hard.
I hear, oh, you want to see my face? So I'm setting up the camera stand so you
That's
can
what
see
you
my
think. Nobody
face.
said they want to see your face. Okay. So first of all, like I said, we really love the presentation. I mean, the packaging is great. It came with the frozen ice pack.
Man.
So, very good. There's a few ice packs in here.
Salara. A red cake.
Ooh, we got pastries.
Hey. Look, I love it. Look, they even mark it.
It's labeled.
Saying what it is if you don't know what it is. So this is doubles.
Okay, so I like this cheese roll. Oh God, it got so much cheese. It's popping out. I love this.
Nice one.
A Chinese cake. Chef's favorite is Chinese cake. Or red bean.
We have to go nowhere and buy fried rice. Look, fried rice.
Oh man, you got grocery
Right
for the
here.
week.
Me good.
I don't have to cook. I'm a happy person.
Yes, man. Fried chicken.
Shoot.
Done ready.
Ready, done.
Ready done.
However you say it,
Look,
same
this
thing.
thing sliding out. Doubles. This is China.
Okay, so this is the chana for the doubles to make your doubles.
More China.
Oh shoot!
Ah, we good.
You're gonna be eating
Hey.
some good curry.
Bread white.
Oh man. Okay, that's your Guyana bread right there.
Look, you even get sauce. Look. So
Oh.
tamarind sauce.
Dang.
This is everything. Wait, this is bad.
Tropical
this bad.
Isle Roti
I
Shop
get a
and
bag of
Bakery.
ice too.
That's not for your drinks. Oh man, it's like a never-ending box.
Yeah, man.
of
Look, more
goodies.
doubles, more.
So listen.
Barra.
Oh my gosh. So this is the okay, the bara for your
What we got
the
here?
chickpeas or chana.
Honey, curry chicken, but I'm labeled it chicken curry.
Hello, it's Guyanese, so chicken curry.
Flurry.
It's curry chicken. Oh, that's so
Flurry
cute.
been a chutney.
I say bani. And listen, nobody wants Valentine's roses.
Mango sour. Sorry.
Side.
Pepper sauce.
My God, the
Still
neighbors
going.
can hear you.
Soya sauce.
Soya sauce?
Hmm?
There's no soya sauce. For
What
what?
is that? Me no know.
Oh, this for the chicken. Okay.
Nice one. Hey.
Oh, the fried rice.
This
You got
wicked.
yours. Okay. Your Chinese sauce.
This wicked.
So listen, man,
One.
no woman, well, I can't say, majority of women, we work hard. We want roses and put fungicide and stuff and chemical to kill us for Valentine's Day and some chocolate to make us fat. We want some nice food. There you go. It said, wait till a man's heart is through his belly. Same thing for women, we got belly too. Like I said, if you don't have time to cook because you're busy living the American dream and have to work and pay bills, remember, support our friends here at Tropical Isle Roti Shop and Bakery. So it's my God, food. You place your order, click, you go on their website, you see all this good stuff here. You place your order what you want. They'll smell the tea stuff. They'll ship it to you. You'll get a tracking number from FedEx. And within 2 days is here. So just if you want a special occasion, you want to do something, just place it 2 orders before. And it comes in the ice pack, so it's nice and fresh when they get here. And it even comes with you okay? It comes with instruction on how to warm up your dal puri, how to do it. So you know what? It's pretty cool, and I love the fact it's a mom and pop restaurant. So that we are supporting small businesses. And remember, they deliver in all 50 states in the U.S. and also Puerto Rico.
Awesome.
So guess what? You can be shivering in Alaska. You can get your
And
nice
eating
hot
your doubles.
roti, your doubles, your chicken curry or curry chicken for your Trini friends. You got your Guyana bread with some hot butter and tea. And you got your pastries,
The
pilari.
pastries was amazing.
The fried chicken. I mean, come on. If you're
I
far
done
away from home,
eating up the fried chicken.
okay, if you're far away from home, you can still get the food from back home.
Yeah, man. I think I'm enjoying just that alone. Really good.
So shout out to our friends in New York at Tropical Isle,
man.
Roti Shop and Bakery. When we come to New York, we'll definitely come and get it fresh from the restaurant.
Yeah, man. Thank you guys so much.
All right, thank you. Love you guys. Stay safe. Watch out for falling planes. Bye.
Hope you enjoy your dal puri or your roti.
Okay.
Open it up now.
Again, ladies, when you gotta work, just order food for your guy.
Hey, this thing, they season up everything good.
Yeah, when I was hotting up the curry, I
Good.
smell
Oh,
it
shit,
really
man.
good.
All right, cool. Let's check it out.
Let me see how big your roti is, your dal
my
puri.
roti, I done peel it up. Look.
It's huge.
Look. I can't even open it all the way. Look at that. It land on my table. How my table clean. All right, ready?
Taste
Let's
test.
try it out.
Honest
Take
opinion.
this right here. Mom.
Let me
It's
see.
like you just cook this thing.
Exactly. If I didn't show you the box, I would say I cooked it myself.
Good. I like it. Hey, thank you. Mom, I'm feeling better.
From the curry.
Mm-hmm.
See?
Tastes real good, guys. Thank you. Yeah, the tamarind sauce too, eh? Boy, I'm telling you. Check Tropical Isle out in Liberty Avenue. Alright, buddy. Listen, and having Caribbean food delivered to your front door is something special. It's something that you would never think about. And for them to create that and have that going on, it was packaged right. Everything was nice and cool. All you have to do is take it out, put it right on your pot, and meal is ready for your family. Hey, I really enjoyed this package and I'm still eating. It's like a week in, saving me food because eggs expensive, you know. Alright, family, later.